name is Marie Duke,
My name is Stephen Duke.
and we had, during the winter storm in January, we had trees come down onto the house that affected the deck and the roof, and we needed to get those repaired. I wasn't sure what company to go with, and so I went online and checked, and Best Roofing had a good reputation, and so we contacted them, and they were one of our estimates. And after meeting them and discussing things with them, we decided that we would go with Best Roofing for both things, for the deck and for the roof.
During the storm, we had 5 trees come down on the roof and slide down on the deck, which caused the damage. The project was actually in 2 parts. The roof was done, and we were so impressed with the 2 guys that handled the roof. When we finished that part of the project, we asked for them to come back and do the deck. So we had the same 2 workers here on the deck that did the roof. Excellent people. My father-in-law is a contractor. I've been around construction projects, and these guys were as good as any I've ever seen.
Jonathan was the contact person, and then he had people that came out. There were a couple of different people that worked with us, and they were all very helpful.
The damage, the insurance company wanted similar materials than what was here. So we've gone with preserved wood and cedar railing, and the results are better than what was here before.
I would recommend, and as we go further, and if there's other things that we need to do, I would definitely call